Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm sharing my homemade oil which I use on my hair. It's a very old remedy. I think most of us use this, but it works wonder. This one works for all the hair problem like thin hair, dandruff, hair fall. For this I'm using coconut oil, castor oil. You can use any other brand as well. Kalonji, methi seed, which is fenugreek seed. Kalonji is also known as nigella seed, curry leaves. Oil I'm making it's for one time use, which I'll be applying it now on my hair. But if you want, you can make it more and then you can use it within a week or 15 days. You can store it and you can use it. Just adding some more castor oil. I'm just going to put all the ingredient in this pan and then going to heat it. If you're going through severe hair fall, then I recommend you to use mild shampoo, because if you're using some hard shampoo, no remedy will work for you. Because see, if you're putting some oil which is giving you a benefit and then you're using hard shampoo, or it's quite obvious that you will get hair fall. Now I'll off the pan, so the oil is ready to use. You can use this oil once a week or twice a week, however you want. I use it once a week before I shampoo, 1 hour before. If you want, you can keep it for overnight also, because I get too much hair fall. I only keep it for like 1 hour, not more than that. I have used this oil and I have seen tremendous result on my hair, and I want you to see that. So do try this remedy and comment below if you also see the difference. So yeah, that's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.